Today we're going to demonstrate the best way to hook up your tractor to your implement, and this is how we've done it by changing out how we do so. This is called the PTOLink. It's a quick connect system. It comes with an open plate design. We first install it right onto the tractor spline. This is how easy it is to get it on. Then we just put this into whatever implement you have. If you have the kind that's got a push pin, that's the last time you got to use it. This is secure. You can just leave that right on the tractor. Now we just take the 4 studs, set them right into the 4 teardrop holes. I always just start with 2, push it together, that pin pushes back, 1/2 inch twist, and we are connected. We finish it off with a grade 8 pin that's got a locking tip on it, so it will not come out. That goes through both couplers and locks in place. We are completely connected. Now, to remove it, we remove that pin first. We just give it a tug. That starts the rotation. There you go, undone. 5 inches it adds, so you always want to check for the drive line length, but otherwise it's in good shape. If you got a tractor that doesn't freewheel, you can also use this handy dandy tool to connect it or to disconnect it. Only needed if you don't have a tractor or an implement that freewheels.